proprietary data, public track record, and proven edge. Here's the difference between market commentary and market intelligence. Commentary tells you what happened after it's over. Intelligence tells you what's coming before it happens and puts a timestamp on it so you can verify the call was real. The work you're about to see comes from proprietary models analyzing option positioning, dealer flows across 20 variables, not just gamma, and institutional hedging behavior that retail traders do not have access to. Not do not know how to analyze, do not have access to. These models are black box. The infrastructure is institutional grade. The data feed costs 6 figures annually alone. But every major directional call is posted publicly, time-stamped, on the record, no rewrites, no hindsight. Clear stance. That's how you evaluate whether delegation is worth it. Not by trusting someone's methodology, by auditing their documented results. Let's walk through some of the evidence. On January 9th, 2024, among other tweets, we did tweet publicly that we were positioning for end-of-year calls on GLD when gold was trading at 190. We had been in an investable position since 2022. We had added options at the date of this tweet. Gold was trading 190. Today, it's trading 425. Throughout the time between this initial tweet and present day, we have updated constantly what we were doing. We have posted exits on October 20th at 400, the exact highs of the move to that point, to that date. That was the exact highs, the exact inflection point. And then buys shortly after into 357.62. Also posting that in a snippet from the service, the paradigm we were entering would be violent pullbacks that were short-lived and then a steady grind higher. And to not freak out or get afraid on these whipsaws lower, even though they seemingly are the end of the move, but they are the quick flash corrections leading into more buy-ops. Since gold is entering a super cycle, all dips are buys. We even bought the 1231 dip right here. This position from 62 is now trading over $80 in just 2 weeks for 2028. These are just some of the tweets we posted on GLD. In this specific tweet, we even posted the exact trade we were taking that went over 1,500%. With the exact exits into October 20th. I wanted to start out the SPX chart by showing that we have been posting since 2020 when I first made my Twitter account. We've been posting publicly for 5 years. I've been trading this model for 10 years. This isn't luck. This is what happens when you have access to information other market participants don't have. Prior to COVID even being a known thing, we were posting that UVXY, a product that broke and went parabolic beyond the normal scope of what it should have traded, was a buy and would go $50 plus with our 1306 average. We sold our last pieces at over $100 on March 13th, where you see us shorting volatility. February 18th, we posted the exact day of the top. You'll see across this video how my verbiage and depiction of this work has changed from my first months on Twitter. I also have a tweet on here from 2023. It didn't fit on the other chart, But this is in a reply to someone asking me if I still expected markets to trade 4,900 plus by end of year in October of 2023. Markets were trading at around 4,100. I said we still expected by December OPEX to be above 4,600 minimum, ideally at 4,725. That was a 625 point advance in 3 weeks. We closed December OPEX at 4,730, 5 points off our ideal target. This is not luck. As you will see throughout this video, we are posting consistently, accurately at these inflection points over a long period of time. This isn't directional guesses. These are specific 12-month roadmaps with specific timings, percentage retracements, and exact targets posted publicly a year in advance in the case of this 2024 roadmap that, as we now know, worked exactly to a T of what we had posted. In 2023, there's way more tweets that we have posted publicly. I just picked a few out from our highlights. We posted prior to trading 719 that we would be out of all of our longs after being long from the end of 2022. This marked the highs of the year thus far in 2023. And then we did not post that we would be entering full long positions until 10:30. The exact days were actually 10:20. The lows of this move into 4,100 was 10:27. We would be in full long positions by 10:30. This was posted in advance of that date, and if you were in the service, the game plan and approach for those trades were posted months in advance. We then made an unprecedented move after posting this hot take that markets would go to 4,900 by end of year, a move that markets had never made in our markets history in that short of a span of time, that we would move 600 points higher. And we posted that with confidence and traded the ends of the distribution, the options that were priced at impossible, making 2,000, 2,500% on half positions, not runners. We had planned and approached these trades with the understanding that we would get to these targets, and at minimum we would get paid at the 4,600, and ideal targets were into that 4,900 plus by end of year, which we now know did occur. SPX trading at 4,100, 4,200. That's a 700 point call posted publicly months in advance, and it hit. Moving on to February 24, we have a roadmap laid out with specific timing, exact targets that played out to the letter. You can verify every word of this. The tweets are public. The timestamps don't lie, and the chart confirms it. We updated this after everything occurred in this roadmap, including, again, we posted trades throughout this time publicly. We posted real time on April 19th. My time is off on this chart. I don't use TradingView, but you can check this tweet. It was posted intraday. It was posted 10 minutes prior to the lows at 4,952. Then prior to the advance into 5,600 by July, the best buys of this summer cycle. And clearly that was my roadmap, that we would get to 5,600. It's exactly what happened prior to retracing the entire year's move and then taking out those highs into 5,900 by end of year. Moving along, I will add clips from our YouTube video posted on February 23rd or February 18th, 2025. I have a YouTube video posted right here depicting the imminent sharp decline that would reach a maximum of 4,700 to 5,000 in the exact way that would occur. The various paths the price would take to get there. We posted that at that juncture, the all-time highs depicting an imminent crash that would not be the top, that you can check the clips I post in the description. We said this would not be the top and that by year's end, we would trade to a minimum target of 6950, 7,000, a minimum target of 6,600 with ideal into 6950, 7,000. Again, a year in advance with the dynamic movements in between, we posted exactly what would occur, and that is exactly what did occur. The ability to get access, the getting access to this information, no matter what your strategy, is going to add an invaluable tool to your toolkit. It's going to add, if you don't have edge, the ability to have edge just from our work. We're posting in February of 2025 in our YouTube video from the 6,200 all-time highs for an imminent crash to 4,800. That's a 1,400 point short call from the top, based on the same positioning models that called for this 5,900 plus rally a year earlier, 1,000 points in advance to any of those prices ever trading. If you're watching this now, you already know how these calls played out. More recently, we have posted since the end of October that we expected a move into 6,500 that would then go straight up into end of year towards 6,950, 7,000 with 3 updated videos depicting how we would approach the trading opportunity and where the good deals were. I posted 2,000% plus trades out of the 3 trades I posted in the last couple of weeks, publicly, real time, prior to them, when they were trading $1, before they were trading $15, real time. You're not going to be able to replicate this, not because you're not capable, but because you don't have access to the data infrastructure that produces it. The options flow data alone costs more than most retail traders have in their accounts. The models took years to develop. The positioning algorithms require institutional grade execution infrastructure. This is the same gap that exists between retail and institutional research in every other market. Information asymmetry. You can either spend a decade trying to build it yourself, or you can delegate to a team that's already done it and has a 5 years of public track record, time-stamped, and clear accountability that proves the models work. That's not marketing. That's mathematics with objective information. We also have a full audit on all of our actual positions we took against if they were tradable at that price within a 5% margin of error going back the last 3 years since we started the database of all of our positions that we're currently in, that everyone in the service gets access to, that is updated real time on anything we're trading, along with all the plans and every way we will manage the positions depending on any possible price movement. So if you don't have access to the models, you're getting access to the entire plan for approaching them. And we're not just selling you signals. You get access starting this year. You're going to get access or the option to pay for educational frameworks on how to interpret positioning data, how to contextualize volatility regimes, and how to think structurally about risk. So you're not blindly following calls, you're learning how institutional traders process information and treat this like an actual business. Our typical quarterly pricing is $7,500 a quarter. We recently had year-end enrollment at an extreme discount for the $12,000 for the year that had closed, but we are reopening it since a lot of people were on vacation. And I know a lot of you guys with small accounts, this is the only time you're able to get involved. We do have financing options. I am going to be adding to the next, we're only going to have 3 spots available for that, the $12,000 for the year. And you will get access to the one-on-one group calls. It will be no more than 7 people in this initial quarterly testing while we go through this one-on-one or group process of adding the education for interpreting positioning data and where to get that data. This is going to be a separate offering, but it will be included in this promotion for the end of year that we're rekindling. Just a straightforward offer. Overall, this is just a straightforward offer for traders who understand that Edge is worth paying for when you can verify it works. If you want access to intelligence you cannot get anywhere else, backed by documented track record that you can audit yourself, reach out to me via DM or the link is in the description to book a call. This is proprietary data, publicly recorded with timestamps with proven edge. This is just some of our calls that we posted publicly. Gold at 190 from Jan 24, updated every month to where gold is currently trading at 425. Trading every ebb and wiggle in between, getting out at the all-time highs and back in at the pullback lows. An SPX roadmap from 4,100 that we'd go to 4,900, then the following year that we'd go another 1,000 points higher with every minor ebb and wiggle, up and down in between to the T. And then last year with a crash call from 6,200 to 4,800 that we traded options from $1 to 90 plus for half the position, not runners. And then that we would close the year at 7,000. Reiterated in our our most recent update videos. All public, all timestamped, all verifiable. If you found value in this, subscribe. More documented case studies, more transparency, more proof. See you in the next one. Talk soon.